So I killed the YODA. For those of you that don't know, the YODA was my 2005 Toyota Echo that I bought about 2 months ago for $400. Now, she's dead. As you'll see the picture. And how that happened is I rolled it 3 times and I went through the driver's window. I believe I went knees first. I don't remember too much of it. So basically what happened is I went to go turn right into a parking lot and it understeered on the ice because it was bad weather. Slid right into the snowbank with such a little car and it just rolled 3 times. It wasn't wearing my seatbelt. So that's a lesson for everybody there watching this. Always wear your seatbelt because you never know what could happen. I took it off 2 seconds before it hit the snowbank. So you never know what can happen.
Now I pay close attention, really learn the code. I learned to read the map before I hit the road.
Hey yo, I know you never heard this before, but I'd rather lose a fight than miss the war. And I ain't wishing competition or fishing for it. I'm just living in the system conditions of.
So thanks for watching that little clip, everybody. Yeah, it was definitely a scary moment when I flipped my car there. Just a little bit of a short video. I'll just kind of give you guys a little bit of an update of what happened. Especially if you follow our Facebook page, you seen what Cameron posted on there. But thank God I'm alright. And we'll definitely have more videos up and coming really soon. I just haven't gotten a new vehicle yet, so I haven't been at the shop too much. But Cameron's car is done. We'll have some more updates on that coming up. And be sure to follow our Twitter and our Instagram as well at Canadian Cars A, and then our Facebook page at Cars A. And yeah, follow us on all those social medias. Be sure to subscribe to the video, and not the video, subscribe to our channel and like the video. And thanks for watching. And click one of our other videos right here, or right here, might be over here, or over here. Just click on one of them, check them out. Thanks for watching. Bye.